Welcome to InstaFollowers YouTube channel. Today we will talk about our new tool Instagram Bio Generator. Are you looking for a cool bio for Instagram, or are you out of bio ideas? Then our new Instagram Bio Generator tool is for you. As InstaFollowers, we present you with our high-quality Instagram Bio Generator tool. Instagram Bio Generator is a web-based tool which can take a little information about your accounts and turn this into the best bio for Instagram. Using an Instagram Bio Generator can help you in a lot of ways. Most importantly, it can allow you to save time and effort. An Instagram Bio Generator can quickly create the Instagram bio you desire in the light of an information you provide. You can create the Instagram bio you want in an instant way. The first step is to define your account for our tool. Is it a business account or a personal account? You can choose your account type and category from the list we provided in the first box. If you cannot find your account type, you can just choose none. As a second step, you should choose a tone of your bio. It can be funny, natural, calming, etc. You should choose a tone that represents your brands but also is suitable for your audience. We need some keywords to understand your bio scaffolding. In this way, we can add the keywords you wanted in your bio seamlessly. And adding a call to action on your Instagram bio is also crucial. If you want your followers to follow you, visit your webpage or blog, buy our product, etc. You should mention into your bio. And that's it. Enjoy your new Instagram bio. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.